Okay, y'all, so I'm going to be styling my daughter's type 4 hair, her natural hair. I'm going to be styling it, and y'all are going to watch me and how I style it. I'm not going to say how I'm going to do her hair. Y'all just have to watch and finish the video to see, and we're going to go ahead and get started. As y'all can see, she has a lot of hair, and it is so thick, and she has, like, so much freaking shrinkage, okay? So basically what I am doing is parting the front of her hair into 3 sections, and then each one of those 3 sections I'm gonna part in half, as you see me doing with the section that's in the middle. Okay, so the leave-in conditioner that I'm using is a kid's leave-in conditioner, and it's by Many Ethnicities. And this leave-in conditioner cream is kind of thick and creamy, but it works so good in her hair. Like, it moisturizes her strands very well. I really like this for her hair, especially with her type of texture, her type 4 texture hair, and then with her hair being so thick, this leave-in conditioner really does work. And so what I'll be doing is just moisturizing her strands with this, and then going behind it with the Eco Style Gel. And the Eco Style Gel that I'm using in her hair is the olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. And this is the max hold, which is 10. As you all can see, I sectioned off her hair, and then now I'll just be twisting each one of those sections. Okay, y'all, so my daughter hair is looking good, right? Her hair coming out so good, and it look fine. It look like I just know what I'm doing, don't it? Well, y'all, this first hairstyle that I decided to do, don't follow it. It was a complete fail because her hair was just too thick for the style I was trying to do. So y'all are going to see right here. I'm telling y'all, man, I was getting it. Just knew I was doing something, was happy about her hairstyle and all. Just watch, though. Yeah, y'all, so I had to get rid of this style, and I transformed it into this style.
Is this my hair?
Yeah. You don't like it?
I do.
Okay. What you mean is this your hair?
The side doesn't even look like my hair.
It don't? It look like weave or something?
Yes.
So this is all that I have for you all today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me if you like this hairstyle and if you will wear it for yourself or for one of your kids. Share this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you can be up to date on my videos. And I hope you are having a great day, and I'll see you all next time.